capturing leads is only the first step. Without prioritization, aging controls, and automated assignment, leads can stagnate and revenue opportunities are lost. ZINFI Leads Management delivers a complete lead lifecycle, from capture and scoring to aging, assignment, and conversion into accounts and opportunities. All incoming leads are centralized as prospects, searchable, filterable, and ready for action. Lead scoring rules automatically prioritize prospects based on engagement, such as email opens or form submissions. Lead aging ensures no prospect goes untouched. Admins define thresholds that trigger alerts or revoke ownership when leads remain inactive. Each configuration defines green, yellow, and revoke thresholds, ensuring accountability and timely follow-up. ZINFI supports multiple lead assignment models, including Round Robin and Shark Tank, ensuring fast, fair, and flexible distribution. When qualified, a prospect is converted into a contact and account, preserving history and eliminating duplication. If an account already exists, the contact is automatically linked to that account, maintaining continuity across sales records. Companies provide a centralized view of all organizations associated with prospects and contacts. Accounts represent qualified companies actively engaged in sales, linked to contacts, opportunities, and revenue. Converted leads flow seamlessly into opportunities, where sales teams manage pipeline, pricing, and forecasting. Built-in Power BI reports provide real-time insight into lead volume, aging, conversion, and pipeline performance. With automated scoring, aging controls, intelligent assignment, and seamless conversion, ZINFI Leads Management ensures every lead is owned, acted on, and converted into revenue.